Hello everyone, myself Apsana Qureshi, student of Ashok Ramani Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Research, Save. This video is guided by Mr. Azad Dhagesar. I am Introduction. Natural microbial population are mixed culture contain large number of organisms. Single snail minus 10 raised to 4 minus 10 raised to 5 bacteria 1 gram feces of minus 10 raised to 11 bacteria 1 gram fertile soil billions of organisms. To study properties and to prepare product from microorganisms, they should be in pure culture. Definition: mass of growth of cells containing only one type of cell is called a pure culture. Selective method: desired microorganism may be less in number, mixed population, or it may be slow growing. By using selective method, number of desired microorganism is increased relatively. This increases chance of isolation of desired microorganism. Selective method: first, chemical method of selection; second, physical method of selection; third, biological method of selection. Chemical method of selection: use of special carbon or nitrogen source. Enrichment selection: use of enrichment medium containing single source of carbon alpha cannidin. Isolation of bacteria with candidate alpha cannidin. Use of enrichment medium containing single source of nitrogen into gas. Isolation of nitrogen fixing bacteria. Use of dilute medium. Caulobacter species 0.01% peptone. Use of inhibitory or toxic chemical. Isolation of gram-negative bacteria. Addition of bile salt or crystal violet. Macrocinox agar. Campylobacter genuine. Vancomycin, polymyxin, trimethoprim added to medium to inhibit other interfering intestinal bacteria. Physical method of selection. First, with treatment. Endospore producing bacteria 80 degrees Celsius to 10 minutes. Second, incubation temperature. Thermophilics are 55 degrees Celsius. Cyclophilics isolation 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Third, pH of medium. Isolation of lactobacillus pH 5.35 with acetate buffer to maintain pH. Isolation of V. cholera pH 8.5. Cell size motility. Isolation of Pteroponia species from oral cavity. Membrane filter with pore size 0.15 micrometer. Sample from oral cavity is placed on surface of agar. Pteroponia as small in size passes through filter on underlying agar medium. They have ability to swim through solid surface of agar and grow within the agar. Other bacteria from oral cavity neither pass through filter nor swim through agar. Biology of mice. Method of isolating pure culture. First, the stick plate technique. Second, poor plate technique. Third, spread plate technique. Fourth, micromanipular technique. First, the stick plate technique. Dilution of bacteria on solid nutrient media. It is done by sticking the culture over agar surface. Pattern of sticking for quadrant method. Bacteria gets separated from each other by sufficient distance. One organism produces one colony and it's considered as pure culture. Colonies developed after stick plate method may be require repeated sticking for isolation of bacteria from mixed culture. Roll tube technique for isolation of anaerobic bacteria. Diagram description. Stick plate method. Advantages of stick plate technique. First, less material required. Second, less laborious. Third, surface colonies. Second, poor plate technique. Serial dilution of mixed culture of sample are made. Diluted sample is added to tube of sterile sufficiently colored agar medium and mixed. Diagram. Mixture is poured in petri plate. After incubation, plate are observed for isolated colonies. Advantages. Method can be used to determine number of bacteria in sample. Quantitative mean. Poor plate method. Third, spread plate technique. Serial dilution of mixed culture of sample are made. Sample dilution is added onto surface of agar plate. Sample is evenly spread on surface by sterile glass spreader. Advantages. Surface colonies. Now exposure to higher temperature of agar. Quantitative method. Spread plate method. Disadvantages: laborious time consuming, more material required. Some of the colonies are submigrants, difficult to pick up and study. Exposure of organism to 45 degrees Celsius cannot be used to isolate psychrophiles. The pour plate method compare with the spread plate method. 4. Micromanipular technique. Use of instrument. Micromanipular. Use microscope in conjunction with micromanipular. Micromanipular allows controlled movement of micropeptide. Single cell is picked up with micropipette while observing cell through microscope. Single cell is added to nutrient medium after incubation. Pure culture is developed from single cell. This culture is a clone. Manipulator technique. Thank you.